This is my Chinese bamboo. It's flowers. Daisy what it grows. It is good luck. Good luck when this Chinese bamboo blooms. It will. I have my three flowers for my Chinese bamboo. So I have this one planted at the front side of the house, at the entrance side. To take care of your Chinese bamboo, there are runners or there are long stems that does not grow leaves, so you have to cut this with scissors so that it will grow leaves in the bottom like this one. But this one, you notice it grows roots, so I will cut this one and transfer it to the container because this will already grow. So that's one way that you can. This one is you can transplant or multiply your Chinese bamboo. So for the leaves, you have to remove dried leaves. Remove dried leaves. Will be good. And insects will not stay in there. These are the flowers. They say that if you have flowers in this Chinese bamboo, this is luck one. That is not because this will not grow much flowers. Rarely grows flowers. Also, in maintenance, you also need to cut the dry stems. Cut the dry stems. This one. Stems. This is my variegated Chinese bamboo. Look at the leaves, it's so beautiful. It has parang spots. So I'm going to propagate this one from stem cuttings so that I will have another plant for my Chinese bamboo. So this is only my Chinese bamboo with this kind, the variegated one. So I'm going to propagate this one from stem cuttings. So I'll do some cuttings right after the node. So this is the node here portion. I will do some cuttings in there. Also this one. right after the node. This portion. I will plant this one. These stems directly or in the container. So that this is how I will plant my Chinese bamboo. I'll just stick it in the container or in the soil. I'll just stick it in the soil like that, and this will grow. How you are going to plant your Chinese bamboo from stem cuttings. As simple as that, just stick it in the soil. This is my soil mix, 50% sawdust and 50% soil. The sawdust is composed of fine sawdust and coarse sawdust. So you're going to mix all of this to complete your soil mix for your Chinese bamboo. Soil first. These are my propagations before. I just stick the stem in the pot and look at that. It has grown so many roots. I will transfer it because it will not grow in here. It's competing with the nutrients of other palmera. It has the roots already. So that's how you eat it. Okay. Oh, it has roots already. Oh, others. That's how I planted this one through stem cuttings lang. These are all from stem cuttings. So I will transfer it to another pot. It will grow bigger. Like that. Yes, boy. It has its own pot already. Already roots, so it will grow because it has roots already. Like that, oh, it has roots already. sometimes I will simply stick the cuttings in other pots. So if I have no containers, I will simply stick it in pots. So when it grows, I will transfer it to a bigger container or larger container so that it will grow. This is my newly planted Chinese bamboo. I planted it from stem cuttings also. So if you notice, the variegation is different from the other one. This is the variegation. Look at the variegation. So what I did, I removed some of the leaves so that the growth will focus on the roots, not on the leaves. So this one, it's another variegation. Look at that. Parang spots lang variegation. This one is about to variegate. Another one, it's still green, pero it's about to variegate. Pero the variegation is not that clear, like the other one. Okay. So this is a newly planted also Chinese bamboo. So it's so beautiful. What I like with this Chinese bamboo is that it's so sturdy. It can withstand too much heat and water, less watering. So it's good even if you're not going to water so much, although it's a heavy feeder, it can withstand water. It can withstand no water. Later na, rotisado. So this, according to Feng Shui, this is what lucky plant. This is a lucky plant to be placed in the entrance of your gate or your door, or in the southeast portion of your house. This is how I plant at least 3 in a pot so that it will